It's time for a crypto market up. Everyone's confused. The last weekend, the liquidation, everyone's looking for a reason. Everyone needs a narrative. It's really difficult at this point in the crypto market to stay positive. As a matter of fact, this is a great quote I saw on X. Crypto will destroy you mentally before rewarding you financially. Hold on, we're so close. Now, what are they talking about in the midst of hellfire and brimstone in the markets and your morale and sentiment being in the tank? Well, what they are remembering are 4 or 5 experiences like this that have happened almost routinely over and over in the market. And many of us who have been in the market, we were kind of like on the edge of our seats previous to this last weekend going, at this point, last time and the last time before that, we usually have this massive capitulation event. And well, we got it. But for those who are new, this is 2017. Like this happens. And then what comes next is the actual parabolic run. And there's a lot of people out there saying, this time is different. Well, yeah, every time's different, but this time rhymes perfectly with every other cycle. But here's where the confusion's coming in. So you have a lot of people who are allocated heavily towards Bitcoin. And if you zoom out and look at the Bitcoin chart, you're like, wow, largest liquidation event in history, huh? Well, not too bad. We barely hit the low 90s. We're in the upper part of the range that we were in. We're closer to all-time highs than we are bear market lows. So what's the big deal? And you look at all of the people who are heavy in XRP, and you're like, man, XRP front ran Bitcoin. It's actually holding up just as well, if not better, than Bitcoin from a price action standpoint. Now, what the XRP people won't tell you is that it took them 8 or 9 years to get here. So they paid the toll earlier. So they kind of have the right to feel confident here. But little side note, make sure you're taking profits on your XRP moving upward. I think my price targets here are have been between $3 and $5 for about 2 years. We've hit a couple of profit-taking milestones here. I'll be taking more as we rebound, which is what the rest of this video is about. So back to the confusion. Then when you compare the Bitcoin chart, the XRP chart with the Ethereum chart, it looks a lot more pale. And we know that Ethereum